Have you got a Mini with the small 6.5 inch screen and no Apple CarPlay? Well, this possibly is the retrofit for you. Now this Mini is a John Cooper Works 2021 edition. You'd think it'd come with everything you'd need being the particular model, but it still had the most basic 6.5 inch non-touchscreen iDrive system. Now this system was called a BIS01, which is so basic you can't even add an Apple CarPlay hardware module to it. So we've gone down the route of genuine retrofit. So in this particular situation, we've taken out the complete iDrive system and retrofitted the later and more modern and higher spec iDrive system. Now this is the iDrive 6 NBT Evo. We've upgraded the screen. As you can see, this is the old 6.5 inch non-touch screen here. With this, it has all come out, and we then put the latest 8.8 inch touchscreen on there. So it's fully operational by the finger, and it's also operational by the iDrive controller. We've also upgraded the iDrive controller itself from the basic small one to the large bigger one as well. It's a full upgrade. Now this is going to give the customer built-in navigation, because this old unit didn't even have built-in navigation. It's going to give the customer full widescreen wireless CarPlay. Now I'll go into CarPlay now so you can see how that works. It's all on the screen, or you can use, if you don't want fingerprints, you can use the iDrive controller down here. So I can go to my home screen. I've got Apple Maps on here. I've then got, I use Tidal for music streaming, but you can imagine Spotify will come up here, all with your album on full control. You then got internet radio apps. If you don't want to use DAB, if you're not sure about coverage in the area, you can even go to radio player, and then I can use internet radio through the screen using my favourite stations like Virgin, Select Radio, the lot. So it's as CarPlay you'd expect, and because you've got the big screen, you actually get 6 symbols or 5 symbols of Apple CarPlay on the screen at any one time rather than 4 on the smaller screen, you know, so it's real nice. Fully integrates with all the factory body control module, fully integrates the steering wheel controls, and nothing looks any different. Customer's also got obviously optical parking sensors, so when I put it in reverse, he's going to get the rear factory parking sensor appear on the screen. This is actually going to change depending on what distance they are. Green if you're safe, yellow if you're getting closer, and then if I put it in reverse and go back, slowly, 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 as I get closer, the actual ambient light goes red as well to indicate you're getting quite close, put it in park, you know. So we can also add a reverse camera to this as well, so this customer hasn't got the reverse camera on it, but we can actually add to put the genuine factory reverse camera on, which will give you split screens. You get parking sensors on the right and reverse camera on the left. Real nice upgrade. Now I'm not going to go through every single screen on this, but you've obviously got the later operating system, which is far more, it's a nicer graphical user interface than the original 6.5 inch screen with full European built-in navigation. So if CarPlay wasn't to work, for example, you know, you didn't have phone signal, you could still go back to the built-in nav and use navigation in most of Europe actually. You know, so you can see how the screen is so nice to use. It's just the later GUI, much better than that original 6.5 inch screen. Oh, and also, good thing, Max, if you heard him in the background, he's just telling me about something else we can offer. This Mini's opted for the normal push button options, which is a pre-LCI button configuration. You can now get the, this whole retrofit can actually have the capacitive buttons below, you know, the piano flat finish, which hopefully Max will put a picture overlaid now to see it. If you prefer it, this customer wanted the push buttons rather than the capacitive buttons, but it's entirely up to you if you want to go down that route. But yeah, that's about it for this upgrade. If you like what you see, ask a question. Like I said, we can do it in other BMW platforms as well, and some Mercedes, and even some VW and Audi group now, which is really nice. You can contact us on info@johnplease.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. We'll carry on uploading. My name is Connor, this is John Cleese Car Audio, and this is me signing off. See you later.